You are watching a moment the world paused for. Marty Supreme, a story about ambition, control, and narrative power. Now listen closely. The movie itself tells a story visually, but adding narration unlocks a new layer of meaning and interpretation. Creators everywhere are using voiceovers to react, explain, analyze, and transform videos into their own original content. And that is exactly what MegaTranscript enables. We took this trailer, a piece of public culture, and added a professional AI voiceover that was generated from text using MegaTranscript, text-to-speech. MegaTranscript turns any written script into a natural, high-quality voiceover in minutes. It is powered by modern speech synthesis that delivers expressive narration, pacing, and clarity. You can react to movies, explain tutorials, narrate breaking news, or run your own commentary series. Every video becomes content your audience can understand, engage with, and share. This workflow is how creators produce content consistently without recording raw audio. It is time-efficient and cost-effective, letting you focus on ideas and publishing rather than technical production. Now it is your turn. Write your script, generate your voice, react to movies, explain tutorials, build your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram channel, all voiced professionally in minutes. It is free to start. Your voiceover can be everywhere your audience is waiting. Watch Marty Supreme to see the impact this moment has on culture. Then use MegaTranscript to make your own content with your own voiceovers and tell your story to the world. MegaTranscript, your scripts, your voiceovers, your channel.